Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The focus today is on a truly exciting gadget that's perfect for the budding photographer in any child's life, the HelloBaby Kids Camera Instant Print. This device stands out as more than just a toy camera. It's a gateway to creativity and instant gratification, specifically designed for young adventurers aged 3 to 12 and beyond. One of the most striking features of this camera, and indeed a world first, is its impressive 3.2-inch large screen. Imagine a child's delight as they frame their shots on such a generous display, making it incredibly easy for little hands and eyes to compose the perfect picture. This isn't just about viewing, it's about enhancing the entire photographic experience, allowing children to see their world in a bigger, clearer way before they even press the shutter. The large screen significantly improves usability for its target audience, ensuring that capturing moments is a joyful and frustration-free process. But the real magic happens moments after that click. The HelloBaby Kids camera lives up to its instant print name, delivering tangible memories right into a child's hand. There's something uniquely thrilling about watching a photo materialize instantly, a stark contrast to the digital-only world many children grow up in. This feature encourages sharing, decorating, and truly owning their creations, fostering a sense of accomplishment and wonder that digital photos alone often cannot provide. It transforms fleeting moments into cherished physical keepsakes. Beyond its groundbreaking screen and instant prints, this camera is packed with features that spark imagination. It functions as a selfie digital camera, empowering children to capture their own expressions and moments with friends with ease. The inclusion of multi-frames and filters transforms ordinary pictures into extraordinary works of art, allowing kids to personalize their photos with fun borders and effects. This encourages experimentation and helps develop their artistic eye from a young age, making every photo session a creative adventure. The HelloBaby Kids camera also comes equipped with an SD card slot, ensuring that every precious memory, every silly selfie, and every creative masterpiece can be saved and cherished long after the paper prints are made. This thoughtful addition means that parents can also keep digital copies of their child's photographic journey, preserving those early artistic endeavors. Presented in a charming pink, it makes for an ideal Christmas or birthday gift, promising hours of engaging, screen-free fun. This device truly stands out as a fantastic way to introduce children to the joy of photography, offering a blend of modern digital capabilities with the timeless appeal of instant physical prints. It's a durable, child-friendly tool for exploration, self-expression, and creating lasting memories.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.